I bet you didn't know that mastering smooth braking can actually save you money and keep your passengers happy. We've all felt that jolt when someone slams the brakes, coffee spills, heads snap forward, and everyone's annoyed, but smooth braking is easy to master and makes a huge difference. It keeps your passengers comfortable, protects your car's brakes and tires, and saves you money. Your passengers will thank you, and you'll feel more confident behind the wheel. Let's dive in and master smooth braking together. To brake smoothly, you need to know what happens when you press the pedal. Pressing the brake squeezes pads onto spinning discs, creating friction that slows the car. Most cars have ABS, your safety net in emergencies. ABS stops the wheels from locking, letting you steer while braking hard. If you feel pulsing in the pedal, that's ABS working. Don't panic, just keep pressing. For everyday driving, you control the pressure gentle for gentle stops, firm for quick ones. The system is designed for smooth, progressive braking. ABS is there for emergencies, but most of the time, it's your foot that makes the difference. Aim for a symphony of smoothness, not a crash of cymbals. Here's the 4-step formula for perfect silky stops. Whether you're new to driving or just want to refine your skills, these steps will help you stop like a pro every single time. Step 1. Look far ahead. Don't just focus on the car in front of you. Scan the road for anything that might make you slow down. Spot reasons to slow down early. Traffic lights, brake lights, junctions, or even pedestrians about to cross. The more you notice, the more time you have to react. The sooner you see it, the smoother you can react. Anticipation is key to making every stop feel effortless. Step 2. Come off the accelerator early. As soon as you spot a reason to slow, gently lift your foot off the gas. Let the car slow naturally before you even touch the brakes. This not only saves fuel, but also makes your stops much smoother and more controlled. Step 3. Apply the brakes gently and progressively. Start with a light touch, then gradually increase pressure as you need to slow down more. Imagine an egg under your foot. Press softly, then increase pressure as needed. Don't jab, squeeze. This helps you avoid sudden jerks and keeps your passengers comfortable. Step 4. Just before you stop, ease off the brakes slightly. This final touch is what separates a smooth stop from a rough one. This prevents that final jolt and keeps the stop seamless, so everyone stays comfortable and relaxed. It's a subtle move, but it makes all the difference. Your passengers might not notice what you did, but they'll definitely feel the smoothness. Practice these steps, and they'll become second nature. The more you do it, the more natural and automatic it will feel. Look ahead, lift off the gas, squeeze the brake, and ease off at the end. Each step builds on the last for a flawless stop. That's the secret to professional level braking. You'll stand out from the crowd, and your driving will feel more refined. Your passengers, and your car, will notice the difference. Smooth stops are easier on your brakes and tires too. Master this, and you'll never be called a jerky driver again. You'll feel more confident and in control behind the wheel. It's all about anticipation, control, and a gentle touch. These are the hallmarks of a truly skilled driver. Try it on your next drive, and enjoy the difference a silky, smooth stop can make. Braking changes a bit depending on your gearbox. In automatics, it's simple. Just focus on smooth brake pressure and easing off at the end. The car handles the gears for you. In manuals, you control the gears. As you slow, brake in your current gear. When the engine revs get low, press the clutch just before stopping to avoid stalling. Don't press the clutch too early. You'll lose engine braking. For beginners, brake first, clutch in just before stopping, then shift to neutral, or first. As you get better, combine braking and downshifting for even more control. The key: keep it smooth, avoid stalling, and don't rush the clutch. Practice makes perfect. Sometimes, you need to stop now, like when a child darts unexpectedly into the road or a cyclist appears out of nowhere. These moments demand instant action and total focus. Forget about being gentle. Slam the brake hard and fast, using all the force you can muster. In emergencies, every fraction of a second counts. If your car has ABS, you'll feel the pedal pulse rapidly under your foot. That's normal. Keep pressing down firmly and let the system work. Don't pump the brakes or let up, just hold steady pressure. ABS is designed to help you steer and stop safely, even on slippery roads. Keep a firm grip on the wheel and be ready to steer around obstacles if you need to. Staying calm and in control is key. For everyday driving, the most common mistake is braking too late. often because drivers aren't looking far enough ahead. Anticipate what's coming and give yourself plenty of time to react. Don't tailgate. Always leave a safe gap from the car in front so you can brake gently and avoid sudden stops. Avoid jabbing the pedal, squeeze it smoothly and progressively. This keeps your ride comfortable and your car under control. In manuals, timing is everything. Brake first, then press the clutch just before you come to a complete stop. This prevents stalling and keeps things smooth. Practice these habits in a safe place, like an empty parking lot, to build muscle memory and avoid jerky stops in real traffic. Smooth braking is all about anticipation, gentle control, and having the confidence to trust your skills. Master these techniques, and you'll drive like a pro, calm, collected, and always in command. Your passengers and your coffee will thank you for every smooth, safe stop you make.